Today we are making Kizhi Paratha. It is a very special dish where paratha and spicy mushroom masala are wrapped together in a banana leaf. This banana leaves adds a very beautiful aroma and it keeps everything warm and fresh. But I am not heating it again. That way the paratha stays soft and not soggy. And when you open the wrap, the smell and the taste are just perfect. Try this version and you'll love every bite. Now let's get our mushroom masala ready. I've got a packet of fresh mushrooms, one capsicum, a few tomatoes, onions and some garlic. Let's cut everything into the required shape and sizes. Not too big, not too small, just perfect for the filling. Kizhi Paratha, also known as Kizhi Parotta in Kerala and Tamil Nadu, has its roots in Tamil Nadu, especially in Madurai, the city famous for its paratha stalls. The word Kizhi in Tamil and Malayalam means bundle or wrap. Traditionally, this dish started in a small roadside paratha shops where cooks would wrap leftover paratha and curry together in a banana leaf to keep it warm. When customers started loving the flavor and aroma that came from the banana leaf, it turned into a proper dish on its own. Later, restaurants across Tamil Nadu and Kerala made it their signature, like their own version like chicken Kizhi Paratha, mutton Kizhi Paratha, egg Kizhi Paratha. But today I am making mushroom Kizhi Paratha. And for the masala, I am taking 1 tablespoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, and let's mix all these spices in little water. So this will blend well and gives a nice smooth masala paste. Along with this, I am also making a tomato paste. Now let's start cooking by heating oil in a pan by adding half a teaspoon of jeera, adding ginger and garlic paste, half a teaspoon each. Let's fry them everything well. To this we will add finely chopped onions. I have taken 1.5 onion for this. Now I am adding the mixed masala paste to the pan. Adding the tomato paste will give it a good stir so all the spices blend well with the onion and tomato. Now I am going to add mint and coriander paste, maybe 2 tablespoons of this. Salt to taste. The raw smell of the masala has gone now. We will add the mushrooms now. Look at these mushrooms. They are so fresh, clean, firm and perfect for this masala. Let's add little water and mix gently so they soak up all that spicy flavor. While the mushroom masala is cooking, I'm just heating the banana leaves slightly. This helps them soften a bit so they bend easily without tearing when we wrap the paratha later. Banana leaves not only gives a smoky aroma but also it locks the masala juices, making the paratha rich and flavorful. Now it is a staple in South Indian and non-vegetarian restaurants, especially in Madurai, Dindigal and Malabar, where it is served as a parcel style delicacy. Now it's time to add the capsicum, then few slices of onions, few sliced tomatoes. We have already added tomato puree. Just look at this, how yummy it looks. The masala has cooked perfectly and the aroma is just amazing. Everything looks so rich and flavorful. Now let's start wrapping everything together. First I'm taking two coin parathas and placing them on the banana leaf. This paratha is made out of wheat flour. Then goes in our delicious mushroom masala on top. Now we will gently wrap it all inside the banana leaf, just like a little parcel. You can hear the baby talking, right? She wants to help me out. And even she is excited to see the Kizhi Paratha. Just look how lovely these wraps are. It is so aromatic and tasty, totally worth all the cooking. The flavors, the aroma, everything just came together beautifully. Simple ingredients, but such a wonderful dish. Thank you for watching.